Okay, so my beautiful wife, oh my gosh, she found a dresser in an apartment complex that somebody threw out. I took my truck, picked it up, and now we are putting it together. Pretty much trying to get it back together. It looked like they spilled like candle wax. I thought it was throw up, but it's definitely like wax from a candle. It was all over the top. But I bought some sandpaper. And yeah, right now we just got done putting all these like staples in here to secure it. Some of them were like super wobbly, so we took like staples like that to secure them. I should have, oh shoot, I forgot to do that. But on the back, we should have stapled all of those. Some of them are kind of crooked, but I'm actually gonna go back and do that to the ones I missed. I knew it was something I was forgetting, but staple those down real quick. So the drawers were a little like wobbly and stuff, so now they're all reinforced on the sides and all that. The only reason why is because I did not want to put any screws or anything of that sort, because this, as I said, this thing is free and it's kind of antique. So yeah, I'm trying to save it as much as I can without doing too much. But now I'm about to use this board over here that my dad has kindly so spared for me. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and measure the bottom of this dresser, which you can see. Measure the bottom of this and put one big board at the bottom, but then up here I'm going to measure along here so that these can be just like open. But first, let's get some measurements and start cutting stuff up. So I went ahead and cut 2 pieces for the base, so nothing is falling through the base. Here's one of the pieces, and then there's another piece. The only reason I didn't show myself cutting it is because my wife was out here with me, and it's pretty loud. Like my dad saw, it's pretty loud. So, huh? Oh look, my mom. Water, she had to eat. So, but just got this one in. Look, Mom. Just put this one in. I couldn't get it out, so I went ahead and just put the wood glue on it to get it stuck in there. She got some questions. Yeah. All right, so that wood glue is kind of dripping, but it's not gonna take long for it. I really want to get this side kind of like down, but if you can see from the top, the majority of the glue is kind of like stuck down and everything. So for the most part, it should be done. I don't know what my flashlight is on, but it is. But anyways, on to cutting the next piece. Here we go. Yeah. So we got as much as we could done. We got this wood glued down. We're not gonna need to take them out because it's actually pretty sturdy in there. You're not gonna be able to pull it up. I got it clamped down. Yeah, in order to get these out, you gotta be like really just mischievous trying to get that out, but like even pushing up on it, you can't get it out. So those are in there wood glued, and then the bottom We got it nailed in there and wood glued down. So now there is no opening at the bottom. Again, we did find this at an apartment complex. We got those, like I said, all tacked down. We started sanding, so this kind of smooth. We do 80 grit sanding first, and then we're gonna come back with 120 to make it all fine. Other than that, I don't know, I have my flash on again, but it's naturally coming on. Anyways, we're gonna be done for now and come back. That sander we didn't even get to use because the paper doesn't stay in it. It's my dad's sander. I'll probably buy a sander when we come back, but other than that, yeah. All right, y'all. It's July 4th. I took Luna outside, and somebody decided to throw fireworks on the curb, which I feel like is stupid. But anyways, other than that, I am about to finish a project today, which is the dresser. That's why y'all on this video. I'm about to go get sandpaper because I bought a sander, an orbital sander, and now I need sandpaper for that because I thought the sandpaper I bought was gonna be able to use it, but I'm not. So let's go get some sandpaper after I get ready and change my clothes and stuff. And y'all go to Lowe's with Come. Over here. At 6 o'clock, August 8th, the project is finally finished. This is 2 coats of paint from Lowe's. Looks very, very nice. I did not paint the inside of the drawers as it kind of gives it like a, you know, kind of a vintage vibe, I guess, or something. I don't know what I'm looking for. But that is the project. It's all done. And yeah, we even went ahead and added bumpers, as you can see the little clear bumpers right there, so it's not, you know, rubbing up against the paint or chipping each other's paint. This is like a semi-gloss paint, which says right here. There you go. There you go. It's a oil enriched enamel. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. And yeah.